Hello all, welcome to the channel, and in this video we'll see Python syntax and indentation rules. So when I say syntax, what does you understand from it? So syntax basically means in programming language we call as the grammar. Okay, so in English if I'll say my name is Upahar, it sounds good. Okay, if I say Upahar is I, then it's English, but the grammar is wrong and it sounds very wrong. Similar way, in programming language we have certain syntaxes, certain rules how to write the code. So we need to follow certain rules for that. Okay, and indentation I'll speak while giving the practical example. No, I'll show you what is indentation. Okay, so let us see how the syntax of some of the code. Okay, let me open it. I hope you can see my VS code. Okay, so what we have done till now, we'll see the same command print. Okay, print. So I'll print Upahar Bhadra. Okay. Now if I run this code, no, shift plus enter, what we'll see, Upahar Bhadra is getting printed. But I'll change the syntax. Instead of this, I'll do this. I'll remove this bracket. So if I remove the bracket and I will run it, it says the syntax error. That means the grammar is wrong. That something the code which I have done a mistake and the code is unable to run. So like this, you can uh, check the syntax error or the error which is coming and you can rectify your code. Okay, we'll see it more detail going forward when we'll see more like issues while writing the coding and everything. We'll see it. For now, you understand syntax is just the grammar of programming language. Okay. Now, next is we call as indentation. What does indentation means? So indentation means space at the beginning of a line. Okay, now let's see what is that. So if I'll have this, if don't go with the code, just for now, 10 is greater than 5. Then I'm writing a semicolon, enter. This I've written print 10 is greater than 5. Now I'll run it. So what is getting printed? 10 is greater than 5. Now you can see that here in the print command, no, before it, no, there are 4 spaces. Okay. So this is called indentation. So what this indentation gives, no, it says that this print command belongs to this if condition. Okay. So like this, we have to follow the indentation. For example, if I'll do that instead of this, having the tab, sorry, spaces, I'll do it here. Okay. And I'll try to run it. What will say? It will again give the error. What is say that indentation error expected as indented block. So the error itself say you that what we are doing wrong and everything. So every time you remember there are certain syntaxes to write a code and we need to follow the indentation of each of the code. Okay. So I hope this is clear. We'll see in the next video. Thank you. Bye.